This is a bridal wreath spirea. They're common in the eastern 2/3 of the United States, and they're an indicator plant in the Coincide system of disease and pest management. This plant is blooming at the same time that 27 different pest insects and 16 different diseases are at their best treatment time so that you can control them. And so when you see this plant in bloom and you know that you have an apple tree, then you know you need to be looking out for the round-headed apple tree borer, or how about the bronze birch borer, the elm leaf beetle, the lilac borer, the Taxus mealybug. The diseases include dogwood anthracnose, apple scab, fire blight, oak wilt, powdery mildew on roses. A whole bunch of different diseases and insects can be controlled at the proper time, which is at the same time this plant is blooming. So you need to pick up a copy of this book, Coincide, The Orton System of Pest and Disease Management. Probably the best place to get it is through the Morton Arboretum in Lisle, Illinois, gift shop bookstore. And I highly recommend the book and using this system to make sure that you treat your plants at the proper time so that you can control insects and diseases easily and safely and with the least amount of insecticide. And this is Jeff with a Green Review. Thanks for watching.